Email marketing is one of the most powerful strategies that a company can use to reach its customers and potential customers. It involves sending emails to a list of contacts who have expressed interest in your product or service. In this article, I will guide you through the fundamental steps to create an effective email marketing campaign. Building a list of contacts. Choosing an email marketing platform. Creating an email marketing campaign. Email subject line, email content. Call to action. The email should contain a clear call to action that directs the recipient to the next step. Testing your email marketing campaign. Once you have set your email campaign, analyze the results. Look at the open rate and click-through rate to understand how your contacts are interacting with your email. In summary, email marketing can be a very effective strategy for reaching your customers and potential customers. With these fundamental steps, you can create an effective email marketing campaign that increases engagement with your audience and ultimately generates more sales for your business.